Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Premier Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search your Premier Bank login. Once you make search, you'll find Premier Bank on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already directed to the official page of Premier Bank, and you can see login on top right corner of your screen. Just pick the best option that fits you. For now, I'll choose personal account. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username and your password. In case you forget your username, you can click here, and if you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.